Basically, AnimationController is a special animation object that generates a new value whenever the hardware is ready for a new frame. You can have a read about it later on, but now let's do the practical work. When creating an animation controller, you pass it a vsync argument. The presence of vsync prevents off-screen animations from consuming unnecessary resources. You can use your stateful object as the vsync. So I am going to write this here. Now let's write duration and give it a duration of 4 seconds. So obviously this way we have just set the duration of the animation. Now let's go ahead and write late animation, then write offset as the type of animation, and then write the variable name. Inside it, we are going to type tween. Tween gives us some kind of a mapping that specifies where the animation begins and where it is going to end. Here, I chose offset as the type of the animation as I mentioned earlier. So the tween animation has a begin and an end property. Since our animated cards are gonna move in 2 directions, we need to write that whenever the widget.reverse is true, then the starting position of the card widget will be offset 0,0.08. And that is the value which we are putting in the begin property. But if that statement is false, then offset.0, which means 0 on both x and y axis, will be the starting position of the widget. Offset represents 2 different positions of the widget on the screen. Similarly, in the end property, we can write widget.reverse equals true. Then the ending position should be offset.0, or else the ending position will be offset 0,0.08. Finally, give it a comma. Now let's write .animate over here, to which we are going to pass the controller that we created earlier. This way, the properties got attached to the controller.